Hello guys, happy Monday. I hope you enjoyed your weekend. This is Tyson from Lion Troop Capital. Obviously, you're somebody that is interested in making consistent gains within the markets, or you wouldn't even have clicked on this video. So the number one reason why so many people are not making money within the markets boils down to this, right? People lack patience. They're not having a long-term view of their trading. There's a famous guy, you might know him, Warren Buffett, right? Obviously, if you're an investor or trader, you do know Warren Buffett is one of the greatest investors of all time. And he once said that, you cannot make a baby in a month by making 9 women pregnant. And this means that, you need to be patient. Some things take time. There's no way that you're gonna get into the market and make millions and millions of dollars within your first month or even within your first year, because you have to build on the skill. And to be more pragmatic about it, it takes time in order for you to build wealth. True wealth, right? Part of the reason why so many people are impatient is because they're seeing all of these things on social media, especially on Instagram, where traders, right, are out there flexing in the clubs, buying bottles and all of that. And they're sort of like selling you the lifestyle aspect of things, right? Yes, you can get all the cars, you can get all of those kind of things, but then it takes hard work before you can get there, right? And it takes a lot of time for you to get there. So people go into the markets already with the wrong misconception, right? That, if I go into the markets, within the first month, I'm going to be buying a car, right? I'm going to have that girl of my life. I'm going to take her to Barbados or somewhere in an island out there in Thailand where we're going to be having a lot of fun. That can be true. But then trading and investing takes time. This is not a lifestyle business. You have to be super patient in order for you to go within the markets. So having a more of a long-term picture or a long-term view of your trading when investing career allows you to stay within the game, because you're going to have losing streaks, right? I usually say to my learners and also people that have invested under Lion Troop Capital, where I'm trading on the behalf and managing their capital, right? I usually tell them that there's a random distribution between wins and losses in each and every trading strategy. And this means that you'll never know which trade is going to be a winner, which trade is going to be a loser. And you're going to lose some trades. And sometimes you're going to have losing streaks and also have winning streaks, right? But if you have a short-term view of everything, you just want to make quick money and all of that, you might have 5 consecutive losing trades, finding out that you were over leveraging on those trades and blowing your account. So you're working backwards just by you not thinking long term and you not being patient. It's really ruining your trading career before it even begins, because it doesn't put you in the best position to win. The best traders out there, I'm talking about your Paul Tudor Jones, your Ray Dalio's, your JC Livermore, right? They've had losing streaks, but then that didn't keep them out of the game. Why? Because they were having a long-term picture and view of their trading careers. Some of you guys are trading like you want to retire tomorrow or next week, right? Just to put some stats in there, if you have a trading strategy that has a 50% winning rate, for example, you might lose 16 consecutive trades over a large number sample space, let's say 100 trades, right? But then if you focus on 5 trades or the next 10 trades, then you're not giving your trading strategy enough time for you to be a winning trader over the long term, because you're not thinking well enough. Based on probabilities, you'll never know which trader is going to be a winner, which trader is going to be a loser, when you're going to be having a winning streak or a losing streak. So thinking of your trading more short term or your investing career will only ruin your trading career, right? This was just a short video, guys. I didn't want to make this video quite long. This is my return on YouTube. I've been gone for quite some time and I've been promising you guys some great content. I just wanted to start this week by saying this, guys. You need to be super patient, have more of a long-term picture and view of your trading. And if you're interested in investing within the markets and you simply don't have the time, the energy, or you just don't want to learn how to trade, but then you want to participate in the upside the markets can provide you, you can go to www.liontroopcapital.com and register under Dimension 1 and Dimension 2, where me and my partner Kevin, we're going to be trading on your behalf, looking for the opportunities within the markets, trading, managing your capital, dealing with the stress that comes with managing and trading within the markets. I really love you all. Thank you so much for tuning in. And oh, don't forget to subscribe, guys. We'd really appreciate each and every one of you guys subscribing to our channel. I really appreciate you guys. Have a lovely week. Peace.